Hi, I'm Hanisha. This video is to help you be more aware of the risks and the dangers of carbon monoxide in your home. Carbon monoxide, or CO as it's also called, is a gas formed when carbon-based fuels such as gas, coal, wood or oil burn inefficiently. Exposure to CO can cause CO poisoning. If unprevented or untreated, this can lead to illness, brain damage, loss of consciousness, and even death. Here's how to spot the sources, signs, and symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning, as well as how to help prevent it. Our senses can't detect CO at all. It doesn't smell, you can't see it, and you can't taste it. You don't know it's there and that you're breathing it in, except from the symptoms you experience. It can appear in very dangerous high levels or in low levels over a period of months or even years. Symptoms of low-level CO poisoning are being unusually tired all the time, headaches, nausea, and dizziness. Higher levels of the gas can quickly lead to collapse, losing consciousness, and even death. Potential sources of CO in your home include heating and cooking appliances, such as gas boilers, gas cookers, gas fires, oil heaters, coal fires, and wood-burning stoves. All of these are safe when they're working well. However, when your boiler, gas fire, or cooker aren't working properly, it can lead to the appliance having insufficient oxygen to work well, and then CO can form. This could be due to an appliance being badly fitted, needing new parts, or even a blocked flue or chimney. There are several signs to look out for. For example, on your gas fire or cooker, you may see yellow or orange lazy flames instead of the usual strong blue flames. Also, look out for brown sooty marks around gas boilers and all other gas appliances. On a gas boiler, if the pilot light is continually going out or burning with a yellowish flame, these are potential warning signs. Get a gas-safe registered engineer to check as soon as possible. The most important preventative action is to get your gas boiler and other appliances serviced and checked every year by a qualified, gas-safe registered engineer. It's illegal not to use one when servicing or mending a gas appliance. If you rent, your landlord has a legal duty to ensure your safety and to undertake a gas safety check every year on your property. We have carbon monoxide detectors because we can't smell, taste, or see carbon monoxide. Ensure you have at least one detector in your home and ensure that it's working, fitted properly, and tested regularly, as this is the only way to detect a carbon monoxide leak in your home. There are many carbon monoxide alarms available. There are specialist alarms suitable for people who are deaf or have hearing loss. They alert people by sound, light, or vibration. For example, a vibrating pad under your pillow when you're asleep. There are also alarms such as these that only produce sound. Quality detectors should have the BSEN 50291 standard on them, as well as a British Standards kite mark. I hope this information about the dangers of carbon monoxide has been useful, and you can take steps to keep yourself and your family safe. If you want to contact a Gas Safe registered engineer, please go to www.gassaferegister.co.uk. If you are unsure about what to do next, contact your local Fire and Rescue Services community team and arrange for a safe and well check. Thank you.